Hey everybody, hope you guys are healthy and safe. So I am back in Hong Kong, and today we have an exciting unboxing video. This is the Realme 10 Pro Coca Cola edition. If you follow Realme, you know they like to work with brands to do these collaboration phones. Last year they did the Dragon Ball edition, now this is the Coca Cola edition. So let's unbox the phone and I'm gonna set it up and do a quick test. I'm not gonna do too in-depth a test because I already reviewed this phone recently, but let's check out what's in the packaging. Okay, so the Realme 10 Pro is a mid-tier phone with a Snapdragon 695 with a 6.7-inch 120Hz display, but it is an LCD panel. So here's the phone, and oh wow, okay, this is pretty cool. Oh, nice. So I guess you can only unbox this thing once, because once you open it up, then it doesn't look the same after. So just like the Dragon Ball edition, we have these stickers here. And it says, hey, welcome to the Realme family. Oh, wow, nice. So this is the SIM ejector tool. Oh, cool. The SIM ejector tool is in the shape of a Coca-Cola bottle lid. And then here's a card, Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition. So I guess they only made a limited number of units. The first collaboration between Realme and Coca-Cola ever, when a timeless real taste meets a young tech trend. Oh wow. So like I said, dual camera system, 108 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. This camera is basically useless. Just look at this phone as a single camera phone. And you have an LCD panel, flat panel, power button here with a fingerprint scanner and volume rocker on the right side. You have a TPU soft jelly case along with a Super VOOC charging brick, 33 watt speeds. Okay, let me set up the phone and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've set up the phone and it looks pretty cool. It has that custom Coca-Cola UI. All the native first-party apps have a custom Coca-Cola theme. I particularly like the My Files app and also the App Market. The App Market, it's in like a mini refrigerator. And over here, if you go to settings, it's shaped like a Coca-Cola bottle lid, and music is a headphone. So other than the wallpaper and the app icon, so the rest of the UI, it's pretty much identical Realme UI / Color OS. So like I said, 120 Hz refresh rate, so animations are really smooth, but this is just an LCD panel. There's a 5000 mAh battery inside, so this phone can definitely last all day. We have a 108 megapixel main camera that should be able to produce decently sharp photos and videos. You can do a digital zoom at 3 times, up to 6 times digital zoom. But without a dedicated zoom lens, you know, the zoom performance is not that good. The biggest omission here is the ultra-wide camera, because just about every phone now has an ultra-wide, so this phone missing an ultra-wide is a little bit kind of jarring. So if you've seen my review or read other people's reviews, you would know that the Realme 10 Pro is actually a really good value device. I called this phone a mid-range phone earlier. It's actually not even a mid-range phone. It's an entry-level budget phone, because the Realme 10 Pro retails for around $230 US. Now, I don't know the official price of this Coca-Cola edition, but I'm pretty sure it'll be more expensive than the base Realme 10 Pro's $230. So I don't know how much this could be. I'm guessing like $350, $400 US. I think for $350 to $400, that's a worthy deal for people who are collectors. You know, there are people out there who really like Coca-Cola memorabilia. I have a friend, he has a giant Coke bottle at his house. He probably paid like $200 US for that. So for just a little bit more, you get a Coca-Cola phone, a Coca-Cola figurine, and a UI that, you know, it's pretty cool. Oh, there's also some sound effects too. I forgot. Let's check it out. So when you have ringtone, you have the Cola official music ringtone. So I think if you're a fan of Coca-Cola, this may be worth a look. So that's about it for this unboxing and quick look at the Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition. I will have a lot more content coming up in the next few weeks because February is crazy, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.